Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This video we will explore the push button yet again. We will understand how to control the volume, how to control this buzzer using the push button. So how this works is when we push this button, the buzzer will go on. So which means when I press, the buzzer will produce sound. So let's try it. As you can see, that is how our program works. We will now take a look at the components required to build this circuit. So we will require a push button, a breadboard, an Arduino Uno, a couple of jumper wires, and the buzzer, along with the 330 ohm resistor. So let's start building the circuit. In order to do so, we will take up our buzzer first. On top of the buzzer, you will see a plus symbol. This indicates which terminal is the positive terminal. In this case, our positive terminal is towards the left. So we will connect this positive terminal to the Arduino Uno. And how this will happen is we will take a jumper wire, connect it onto the breadboard, and take its other end onto digital pin 11 of our Arduino Uno. Next up, we will plug in another jumper wire towards the positive terminal of the buzzer, and the other end of this wire will go into the ground of our Arduino Uno. Once we're done with that, we will take up our button. The button has 4 pins. We will connect this button on the middle of our breadboard. Once we're done with that, we will connect a resistor, the 330 ohm resistor, to the left pin of our button, and on the right pin we will connect another cable which will go into 5 volts of our Arduino Uno. Once we've done with that, we will plug in a wire from the other end of our resistor, and this wire will go into the ground of our Arduino Uno. Our last wire will be connected from the common pin between the resistor and our button. So this pin will be connected from there into digital pin 8. So this is the end of our wiring and connections. Now we will take a look as to what program is required for this circuit to work. So this right here is our program. On top we have our 3 variables. In our void setup, we have defined the button as an input device and the LED as an output device. In our void loop, we have given the command for the button that when the button is pressed, it will trigger the LED to go on. So let's try uploading our program onto the Arduino Uno and seeing whether or not the circuit reacts as expected. So once we have completed writing down the program on the Arduino IDE software, all that remains is to plug in this USB cable onto this Arduino Uno, which is what we're going to do right now. Once that is done and this green light appears, we will know that our program has been uploaded. So now let's quickly check whether or not this works. So once I press this button, the buzzer should function. As you can see, whenever I keep this button pressed, the buzzer produces a sound. Let's try that again. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. If at all you're looking for the code, you will find it in the comment section below.